wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob. Put that shit on the mob.
Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, Young DaveyMcFlyy, too wise, man. Go ahead, hit that like button right off the rip and make sure you subscribe if you new to the channel, broski. Lately, your boy been on fire, man, and I'm gonna do my best to show y'all some of the hottest sneakers of the year. I'm definitely gonna cover the hottest sneakers of the year and try the best to get my hands on the ones I like too as well. But bro, with all that out the way, it's time to lace these joints up. Of course, we going with the standard loose lacing job. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna show you how to get the perfect loose lace job on your fives, man, so make sure you stay tuned. And we're gonna go through a couple different bottoms as well. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try these beige. I got some black. And we just gonna try to see what they look like with some shorts. No show socks, no crazy socks, no none of that. You know what I mean? We're gonna go through the whole ordeal, but what we're doing right now is loosening up the shoe, making sure we let it breathe. We don't want it to crease up too bad, bro. Just trying the shoe on. So we're gonna take a little tensions from the stress points of the shoe, and yeah, man, get that lace lock back in there. What I'm gonna do is just hang the lace lock outside on the outside eyelet, you know what I'm saying, and rock out just like that, bro. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. I just want to let this shoe breathe, and this is how you're gonna get the perfect loose lace job from your fives. How they coming stringed up, all you gotta do is loosen them up, making sure the laces are not touching the ground, and after that you'll be good to go, G. And if you're confused on what bottoms to wear, you see what I'm doing. Good old khaki, beige, that'll get you in the game. Maybe even an army green, bro. Maybe even a camo go with everything. Black for sure. You can go UNC on UNC. White too as well. It's a, you know, like with that Carolina blue, man, the Carolina blue color a little more universal than people think. I think honestly you can wear it with just about anything, bro, and it's gonna go. As long as you know what I'm saying, as long as you put that thing together right. But yeah, man, rules to the lace game. Rule number 1, man, women, cat, dog, female, duck, truck, pig, man, y'all know I don't care my need. Whoever bought the shoe, that's who has to say and how they should be laced, G. If your mama bought your shoe and she say, lace them up, go ahead and lace them up before you get your ass whooped, bro. Rule number 2, there's no right or wrong way to lacing your shoe, tying your shoe, bro. Do whatever you want to do. Express yourself. You know what I'm saying? Whatever comfortable for you, whatever you think look good, rock out. You gonna feel good, and that's what's really gonna unlock the swag with your shoe. Is you being comfortable in the shoe, you feeling fresh in the shoe. So rule number 2, no wrong or right way. You like what I'm doing? Try it, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you got your own way, rock out. Rule number 3, you don't like me, you don't like my videos or what you see, get the fuck on, bitch. Yeah, man, I do this for the mob and the mob only anyway, but I would love for you to subscribe if you new to the channel. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these on foots popping. Hope y'all enjoy the visuals and the tunes. Catch y'all on the next one, which is coming very soon. So make sure you got that notification bell on, all big dog. And the lovely ladies out there too as well. Hi, Miss Sparkle. Hope y'all have a good one.
Davey. Ma. Yeah. I remember wearing size 36s with the creases. No little bitty jean 3X white tee. Me stitch up the fitted straight from Lizzie. We gon' match it with the feet. Head crack the dice game. Ain't no noodles this week. Talking long dry, still got my coat on in my sleep. Piano deal, pop move, it won't nobody with me. In the bricks, drinking Cisco, my sweet 16. Couldn't move on somebody, pit they nigga over me. It is what it is, fuck it, I'm outside with the G. Long live my dog Flint, salute to that boy B. Move with my sister senior year, I graduated 05. I ain't even think myself, I see that day in 03. I remember the good days, Chevys on foes. I remember the good days, kind bud smoke. I remember the same day, upgraded the drove. I remember whole county know I had it for the low. I remember the good days, Chevys on foes. I remember the good days, kind bud smoke. I remember the same day, upgraded the drove. I remember whole county know we had it for the low, nigga. Whole creek, no G had it for the no, nigga. I done fucked with the live view, 5-time road, nigga. All down it, down in the high view, down it, what? I just wanna make you feel good, baby. And I'm still here, baby. Hey, yeah. Elevator, I been feeling like I made it. Of all my mind, I got the frequency vibrating, not for real. I just wanna make you feel good, baby, not for real. I just wanna make you feel good, baby. Hey, it's a Davey, but you better hide your lady. Hey, what conversation where I get to talking crazy? I swear, I just wanna make you feel good, baby, not for real. I just wanna make you feel good, baby. Okay, I switched up my location, I made it. Bitch, I'm still Davey. Light it, bitch, up finna switch the cadence. I don't do no playing. I'm the type that ain't finna talk too much, but you feel when I say it. Feeling long with pussy niggas, get you killed, these niggas scared. Go upstate, been going fed, no they won't risk it like I do. OG told me only little one, so I gotta ball like Caillou. Gotta ball like prime time. OG told me it was time to. Look at the scores, 200 or more when I multiply my L's, it's time to. Elevator, I been feeling like I made it. Of all my mind, I got the frequency vibrating, not for real. I just wanna make you feel good, baby, not for real. I just wanna make you feel good, baby. Hey, it's a Davey, but you better hide your lady. Hey, what conversation where I get to talking crazy? I swear, I just wanna make you feel good, baby, not for real. I just wanna make you feel good, baby.